Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the gorgeous February Color Kits from Shimmerz Paints. Now I do want to mention if you add my name, Melissa Minor, to the notes section of your order, Shimmerz will send you a free paint. All right, let's go ahead and get to unboxing this. Now, I am going to show you everything individually, but here's a quick look. You receive paints. In the bonus bundle, there's sequins, there's ephemera, there's dots, there's a painting sheet, and 12 by 12 beautiful pattern papers. So first, let's take a look at the pattern papers, and you receive this color sheet. So you can see here you've got a cupid, you've got some cherries, a disco ball, some hearts. You can color that up with your paints and then fussy cut those. This first sheet has lips, and then on the back side we've got the cherries and we've got the hearts. This paper we have a heart circle or heart wreath. We've got some heart lollipops here on this pattern paper. And then for this next one, oh, I love this one. It's like a background with lace and a beautiful bow. Then we've got some flowers here. I love the colors this month. Some polka dots. This might be my favorite. I love bows, so that's got lots of ribbons and bows. Then we've got a pattern paper with hearts, and then this one with some cherries. Or no, I think these are strawberries. No, they're cherries. And then we've got some squiggly lines, and then these are strawberries. And then on this pattern paper, we've got little hearts, and then we've got stars on the back. And then we've got this one here with hearts and like a grid. And that's really pretty there with hearts and some wavy lines. Then we've got lots of beautiful stripes on here and all the colors, and then XO, XO, XO. So that is a look at all the pattern papers. Then you receive these dots. Now these are clear epoxy dots. And I love adding those to my layout. And then here's a bunch of stickers. So that says real life, movie night, simply the best, love you, bear a hug, soulmate, this story, one and only, love is everywhere. And there's so many more. And then you receive this huge pack of ephemera. So let me go ahead and go through these. I love that little glass there with the different colors in it. We've got bows, we've got hearts, we've got self-love club, we've got a rose, XOXO, lots of hearts, stupid Cupid, luckiest girl in the world, that's cute. Then we've got like a little box of chocolates, Galentine's Day, we've got some balloon hearts. I'll just flip through these so you can kind of see you receive so many different embellishments. I love the little dice. Let's see what else we've got here. If I can get them apart, there's a strawberry. There's a rose. So many cute things. There's another strawberry flipped upside down there. Love that little hands holding a flower, a cell phone, disco ball. Let's see here. Lots of different hearts. We've got XOXO, a little cowboy hat. Let's go, girls. And happy Valentine's Day, and then a heart. So pretty, lots of ephemera. And then you can add the bonus bundle as an add-on, and it has sequins, and then it also comes with a paint. Now the paint that it comes with is Silver Bells-Shimmerz this month, but here's a look at the sequins, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but the bigger hearts here say love on them. So really pretty sequin mix. All right, so now let me show you all the paints that you receive. So all of these come in the color kits, with the exception of Silver Bells. It comes in the bonus bundle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a little water in the Inklings and the Creameez, because those you need to spray a little water in them to activate them. So we'll start here with the first paint color, and this is Pretty in Pink. It's a Coloringz. So I'm just going to spray this on here. That's so pretty. The next one here is called Gladiola, and it's a Vibez. Now it has a spray nozzle, but I'm going to go ahead and just paint this on so we can see the beautiful color. I love this one. It's more of like a pinky with maybe a little bit of a purple undertone in there. The next one we have is called First Blush, and this is an Inklingz. That's a really pretty color with lots of shimmer in it. Shimmer and shine. I know it's hard to pick up the shimmer and shine on the camera. The next one is called One Hot Mama, and this is a Creameez. And this one again is kind of like a pinky purple with less purple undertones in it, just more pink. And then we have this new one. This is a new color to Shimmerz, and it's called Cardinal Sin, and it's a color splash. And wow, that is a bright red. I love that. And then in the bonus bundle, this is Silver Bells, and it is a Shimmerz. So that is a look at the entire color kits. If you want this kit, I recommend that you order it fast because they do sell out. I will have a link down below in the description box where you can pick up your kit. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!